Sanibona, ngaphambi singene kwivideo namuhla, ngithi angithathe lethuba ngibonge isupport nothando nesikhombise lona lingaphezu kokucabanga kwethu. Siyacela niqhubeke nisupporte njalo ngokubuka amavideo ethu, ungakhohlwa ukukhomenta, ushare, ulike. Siyafisa ukuzwa umbono wakho. Sicela ke singene kwivideo namuhla.
We want to constitute ourselves. We can't constitute ourselves. And we have no right to expel any member from this committee. If anything, let Parliament revisit whatever resolution is taken on in terms of who constitute this committee. Thanks. I'm not talking for any member. I'm talking for all of you. It's nice now that you say the things you are saying. Wait until the tables turn and you are told you are conflicted and you can't even see that conflict. Your conscience is very clear that you are not part of this and you have never been involved in any illegality. So let principle be principle. It doesn't matter which political party a person belongs to. It doesn't matter the race of a person. It doesn't matter the gender of a person. Justice must always be justice. And if we stand for justice, we will know how to deal with conflict of interest. Thanks, Chair.
Nkulumo kaCIC wayisho emavikini awu2 adlule. Izolo evidence lead ukuvezile ukuthi uxoxile noGeneral Sibiya. Base kuvela iphuzu lokuthi kungenzeka kube ne-conflict of interest ngoba kune-case evulwe noma eyavulwa uSkhosana against uGeneral Shadrack Sibiya. So uma ke uSkhosana esephinda ebe ingxenye yabantu abazobuza ama-question kuGeneral Sibiya, lokho akuzukuba kuhle. Wakubeka lokho kwaba khona impikiswano ebekhona-ke izolo. Yakhona ngempela impikiswano ubengakafiki yena uSkhosana ngesikhathi kukhulunywa, bekukhona uShongwe noNomvalo, bebekhona laba babili ku-MK Party. Lakhulunywa lolu daba, lakhulunywa ngempela, waze wathi uNomvalo no, uSkhosana ubemeli i-MK Party, ubethunywe i-MK. Ngifaka le nkulumo kaCIC ngoba kwathi makukhulunywa lo daba le-DA wathi yena akadefendi yana umama lo uMiss Kholaphanati wathi akadefendi yena, kodwa kulula njengoba kusakhulunywa ngomunye umuntu akulindwe kuze kujika amatafula kuzobonakala kwenzakalani. Bekuleso simo-ke izolo. Namuhla-ke njengoba ama-members of parliament bekufuneka abuze imibuzo, uGeneral Sibiya naye uveze i-concern yakhe. Angithi ama-members of parliament sekufuneka ambuze imibuzo. Yena lo Skhosana uyingxenye phela yama-members of parliament okufuneka abuze imibuzo. Yena futhi lo Skhosana ovula i-case against uGeneral Sibiya. Ngesikhathi eveza i-concern yakhe, uGeneral Sibiya ukhulume kanje.
Sorry, Chair. General Sibiya. Chair, I want to ask a question in relation to the Honorable Member Skhosana. That because he's a complainant in my case, and this is the person I'm going to sit with at some point, stand against in court, because he's a complainant. And him using this platform now to solicit answers from me that I'm going to have to defend before court, to me, it's a very serious concern. This is the member that I feel is working with General Mkhwanazi, because the statement that was used by the General Mkhwanazi's team to go and open a case, his name is there. Now I must stand before the same member to cross-examine or to ask me questions. Now I'm raising a concern.
Yeah.
If I can be protected.
I'm going to protect you in this way. You are raising a legitimate concern, and then we may not even be seen trampling on your rights.
Abona ke le yankulumo kaCIC isivelile manje. Amatafula sewajikile, sekuSkhosana manje sekuthiwa he must recuse himself. Sekufuna naye angabi ingxenye yemibuzo ezobuzwa la. Uyabona kube lento bayivumele ekuqaleni. Kube lento bayivumele ekuqaleni ukuthi yenzeke kuMiss Kholaphanati. Ngabe manje yamaphoqo ukuthi abayenze kuSkhosana. So emehlweni abantu nasemehlweni ethu kwaba sengathi u-CIC kukhona into ayifihlayo, mhlawumbe uyazazi ukuthi na igama lakhe lizovela. U-CIC udefenda i-DA, kodwa usho kahle u-CIC wathi angidefendi i-DA, ngidefenda nonke njengoba nila azojika amatafula. Uzobuzazi wena ukuthi ayikho into erong oyenzile and kufanele ube ingxenye yama-proceedings aqhubekayo. Bese kuvela inkulumo enje, uma nithatha isinqumo kuzothiwa nasithatha isinqumo ngosibanibani, sithatheni namanje. MK Party ke yona mayizikhulumela ikhulume kanje.
Make a kind plea to you as the chairperson of the meeting. As the MK Party, we request to be protected in this meeting. The witness has made serious allegations against the MK Party. We made it on record that it's the MK Party that opened the case against General Sibiya. It's impossible for 58 members to go to a police station and open one docket and be complainants, all of them. Skhosana was delegated by the MK Party. Now, General Sibiya, in his attempts to subvert the MK Party, says the case was opened because Skhosana is in communication with General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi. Chair, we're not taking that lightly because the case, I think I said it 10 times yesterday, that the case was never opened by Skhosana. Skhosana was a messenger. Now, as the MK Party were being insulted here, that the reason why we opened that case is because of a relationship with Skhosana and General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi. We opened that case because a press briefing was made, and that doesn't mean that we're in support of General Nhlanhla Mkhwanazi. We believe that the allegations that he made need to be investigated by a police officer, and it ends there. For him to come and cast aspersions here, Chair, and you are not protecting us, really is uncalled for. He must not do that in future. You have a responsibility to protect both us as members and the witness, Chairperson. Thank you very much. I just wanted to register that.
And remember, I have exercised.
Ngaloko kubambelela nokudla isikhathi ngizokucaphunela uSkhosana ngoba ngifuna ukuphawula mina after somzwile uSkhosana ukuthi utheni yena uma esezikhulumela yena njengoba bekusakhuluma uNomvalo. Ngicela uzwe lana.
Honorable Skhosana to ask or you pass your questions to.
Thank you, Chair. It will depend on the response
Okay.
from the witness. If the question which I have, as you said, if you say no comment, I'm going to leave those questions. There's a lot of questions besides that, but
Yeah.
I just want to say here, Chair, before you allocate me the minutes, I don't want us to mislead the nation and the members, honorable members, that I am talking to General Mkhwanazi. That statement alone is misleading. I sit in the South African Police Service Portfolio Committee here. Dealing with South African Police Service. I sit in the Police Portfolio Committee. I deal with everyone across the board, from the minister to the top management of South African Police Service, and to the ordinary member, a complainant on the ground.
Yeah.
So it can't be right to say,
you are
maybe I'm a friend, maybe no, I'm not a friend.
You are raising a.
I'm at work.
You are raising a.
Ngoba usumzwile uHonorable Skhosana ebeka naye uhlangothi lakhe. Ngifisa ukucaphunela ivideo lapho iEFF iphinde yayidefend iMK Party. iEFF iphinde yadefenda yena uSkhosana. Futhi okuhle ukuthi uJulius Malema akekho khona lo kuzana uMatthias unjubani igama lakhe. Kukhona yena. iEFF iphinde futhi yamdefend uSkhosana. iEFF yadefend iMK Party. Kodwa ngaphambi kokuba ngifike kuleyo party leyo la ngicaphunela khona leyo video, ngifuna ukucaphunela ivideo lapho uNomvalo ayikhuluma khona ngoChairperson wakhuluma kanje.
No, we can't confuse two issues. We don't have a problem with the chair. We think so far he has been a fair chairperson. He has been impartial. He has been transparent. He has been linear. I mean, he has been patient with all members of the committees. He has not been partisan. So we do not doubt his leadership capacity in this regard. What we are saying is that the manner in which he responded, and it's just one issue which we think we can find each other with him when we go and deliberate further on it. So that does not mean that we do not have confidence holistically to his leadership in this ad hoc committee. We think he's doing a credible job of being impartial. There are many issues which are unpopular, which we submitted to this committee against the will of some of the members of his party. But he ruled in our favor. So that shows that he chooses to be impartial in the running of this committee. So we're fine with him. We don't have a problem with him. Let's face issues as they are. Let's not be scattered when we're dealing with issues, so that we'll get solutions for every problem that we encounter. We can't use the chair fundraise problems that the chair is a problem because there is a problem of the evidence leader.
Qinisweni lilonke akekho umuntu owayemthemba ubaba lo ochairperson uSoviet Likhanyana. Ngiyakhumbula esanda kukhethwa as uchairperson wavela lo mama lo aka James lo umele iAction SA wabuza ukuthi ngoba uminister okuyena udaba lonke lolu lisuka ngayo uyi-ANC and abantu abaningi ababandakanyekayo kulolu lezinsolo ezophenyo bangama-members we-ANC. So ukuthi uchairperson abe we-ANC isiqiniseko sokuthi lama proceedings afuneka enzeyo azoba fair sikhona na. Kwakuyiphuzu elibaluleke kabi. Kwakuyiphuzu elibaluleke kabi kodwa so far ama-members nathi siyibukelayo ad hoc committee singabona ukuthi impartial ngempela akathathi ihlangothi urule izinto fair uchairperson urule izinto fair. Ngicabanga ukuthi lena into ebalekile ukuthi ama-members akwazi ukukhuluma iqiniso la afuneka ukukhulume khona angagxeki yonke into ungathi ngoba lo muntu uvela ku-ANC bese yagxekwa nje noma engenze lutho lu-wrong. So far umsebenzi wakhe uwenza kahle uzimele akathathi ihlangothi. Ngithi angidlule lapho sengizocaphunela ke umember i-EFF i-defender i-MK party. Cela uzwe la.
Thank you, Chair, for recognizing me after. Okay, just a few things, Chair. I think we are keep regressing on this matter, right? So we have gotten an opinion from our parliament lawyers, and not just on these matters, but when we were discussing recusal on a lot of different members. It's clear now, number one, Chair, that there's no independent member of parliament in South Africa. We are political party democracy. The things that we do it on behalf of our political party. The next thing we're going to have here is that we're going to be told when Cyril Ramaphosa appears here that the EFF or the Commander-in-Chief must recuse himself because we've got a case against him in the Constitutional Court. That's where we are heading. Further, Chair, even if any of these members from their political parties, we as a committee take a decision, which we don't have the power to do, both within our terms of reference and within the rules of parliament, because the rules don't cover the issue of recusal, right? We political party members. Nothing stops the other member from the same party or the party of holding that position. So I can recuse myself because I've opened a case on behalf of a party. That doesn't mean that Honorable Malema, we don't have the same position, and when he comes here, he presents the same thing. The same thing, Honorable Kosana, even if he makes a decision to recuse himself, it doesn't stop his other members from asking exactly the same questions. So I think we are really wasting our time, and we just need to move. I don't even think we need to have a legal opinion about this. It's very, very clear. There's nothing in both our rules of parliament and both in this ad hoc committee that says that members or gives us as a committee or even as parliament for any members to recuse themselves unless they've gone through some ethics process or powers and privileges process. And none of us have done that. Thank you, Chair.
Ukuzuphawula kwakho ke ekugcineni kosuku uSikhosana ugcine enikiwe ithuba lokuthi akayibuze imibuzo abuze uGeneral Spear ugcine enikiwe lelo thuba. ukuthi akambuzi. Shouthi uchairperson urule ukuthi no uma kunalama question afila like ngeke akwazi ukwaphendula uzosho ukuthi no comment budlulwe. Cela ukuze ukuphawula kwakho ngalolu daba lonke silibekile. Kodwa uyayikhumbula into yasho CIC iyo ngqo le. Ayisho ngaphambili ukuthi no angingakujabuleli ngoba kusengomunye umuntu. Let the tables turn kube nguwo kule position. So akufanelanga bakujabulele. Yeah, asibambeke la ngicela ukuze ucomment yakho uthini.